Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at the One World 65 watt GAN-enabled OneAdaptr. It has the ability to charge 6 different products at the same time. You can charge up your USB-C powered laptop, your tablets, so many devices. It works in over 200 countries right there. And here are the different ports offered and plugs on the One World 65 watt adapter. Here's one USB-C port, 65 watts. And then if you're using any of these other ports down here, it shares the wattage. That details will be in the description below. And you can plug in regular devices up here that have the different poles and different plugs right there. So you can see this, and if you want to use it for Australia, you just turn that right there. So that's easy to do. Back to North America. And then there you go for the EU port, England, UK, and then here's some other European plugs, but it works in over 200 different countries. I've actually used one of these in China. It worked very well. Not this specific model, but a world adapter. So back here you have the ability to change the ports and prongs like that, again from the side. It's very easy. You just push down, and when you're done, you just push it back. It feels very solid. A lot of these world adapters do not feel solid. And now they're offering this MacMate. So what you do is you use your 60 watt MacBook Pro power adapter. You plug it into the center port where I have this battery just for demonstration purposes. There are 3 total USB ports on the back, and then you get 60 watts out of the one port, 20 watts out of the other, and this is a 10 watt wireless charging pad. Now we'll see about wirelessly charging. There you go, and now it's charging the iPhone on the wireless charging pad. So you can charge your computer, you can charge a phone, and other devices as well with that simple charging pad. It comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable for that, and here's some additional details on how it looks. You use your Apple charger right there, plug it in the middle, and then you can charge other devices and wirelessly charge at the same time. So that's a cool little wireless adapter from OneAdaptr, and this is the MacMate, and this is the One World 65 watt GAN enabled charger. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.